There's ingrown hair removals. You will see the way. That's the tool. Try to take that thin hair. Oh, come on, trying to pull it out. Yeah, come on, come on. That's really cool. Uh, it feels like it's harder, but the skin is really smooth. So we'll see how she's trying to take it out. Oh, it came out. Wow, that was really cool. So we'll see at the top of it's like a pimple or something, but there's the hair inside. So she's trying to take that hair. Oh, so we'll see. Oh, there's really big hair, and it's trying to take it out their hair with no pain. There's no pain. There's too much smoothie because it's trying to take it out too much slowly, not too much faster. She's having great, tips. So there we go. Come on, come on. So you can see my heart. My heartbeat is really going to be faster because it's taking too much time to take it out. You can see. Come on, take it out, take it out, take it out, take it out. Yeah. Oh, come on, come on. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Please, come on. So there we go. It's really big. Yeah. Come on. Trying. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can see. Ooh. Ooh. That was really huge. Can't believe it's like something. It looks like really sharp. It's like a needle or something is coming out. But that was really great. So that's now thin one. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. You can see the area. It looks oily. You can see. But the person who is taking out the hair is really taking too much care of that patient, because you can see he's taking too much slowly. The way he's trying to push it out too much slowly. So that's why there's no pain. So I have so many patients who is having this type of some are like mole ingrown hair. This looks like it's mole ingrown hair removal. So with a patient like 65 plus who is having diabetes can have this type of effect. So that will be good way to go to dermatologist and take it out with the great tools. Who is having tips they can do, and they can take care at hospital. That will be the great way, because they can be affected and they can get like cancer or something, uh uh-huh come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's really too much thin, the hair, you can see that, but then also it's too much larger. Oh, it came out. Wow, that's amazing. That was really amazing. Wow, lovely.